Good morning, everybody. And one of my favorite things about having chickens is your stuff that would normally go in the garbage. I'm having a chuck roast with potatoes, celery, onions, and carrots. And instead of throwing this away, we give it to the birdies. To the little birdies. So, give them something to peck at and mess with. It makes happy chickens. Isn't that right, chickens? Happy little girls. And also, don't forget, if it's wintertime and cold, break the ice for them. Be an icebreaker. Yeah. You guys are so welcome. Breakfast and a snack. Lucky, lucky, lucky little chickens. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the thumbs up, share this. It helps a lot. Join the family. I do 3 or more videos a week. I will see you guys on the next video. Let's go.